Cricket wireless call drops often stem from network congestion or weak signal strength, especially in rural areas. Start by checking your signal strength. Anything below 100 dBm for LTE indicates a weak signal. Move to an open area to minimize interference from building materials or Wi-Fi. Ensure your device is compatible with Cricket's network and unlocked. Also, disable battery optimization or power-saving modes, as these can interfere with your phone's radio. If issues persist, proceed to the next steps. To improve call reliability on Cricket Wireless, enable VoLTE in your phone settings. VoLTE uses 4G or 5G networks for calls, reducing drops compared to older systems. If VoLTE is already enabled, toggle it off and back on to refresh the connection. You'll see the VoLTE indicator in your notification bar when active. Next, perform a network reset to clear corrupted data and reset connection profiles. On Android, go to Settings, System, Reset Options, Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile, and Bluetooth. On iOS, navigate to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset Network Settings. For advanced troubleshooting, note that Cricket Wireless will transition to standalone 5G by 2027. This dedicated spectrum should eliminate call drops by using 5G exclusively for voice.